In this video, I'll be showing you how to create a Google Tag Manager trigger that fires whenever somebody clicks on a link on your website to go to a page outside of your current domain. So, as an example, we will be using Landmark's website. You'll need to be inside whatever website you're wanting to put this trigger for in order to see what link your button is sending people to in order to accurately create this trigger. So in this case, we will be using this book a quote button, and in order to figure out what exactly link they are going to, when you hover your mouse over any button on a website, it will show you in the bottom left-hand corner, as you can see here, what the URL for that click link is. So for whatever button you are wanting to track link clicks for, you'll simply hover your mouse over the button, and in this bottom left-hand side, you will essentially copy and paste this exact URL into Google Tag Manager. So going back to Google Tag Manager, we're going to be in the trigger section. We're going to click New. From here, we're going to click Trigger Configuration. We're going to click Just Links. We're going to click Some Link Clicks. From here, we're going to click Choose Built-in Variable. We'll click Click URL. From here, we are going to go back to the URL or back to the domain that we were setting up this tracking for, hover our mouse over the button, and we will simply take a screenshot of that URL down in the bottom left-hand side. Once we have that screenshot open, we are going to type that exact URL into this section right here. Another option is to double click on the button, click copy link address, go back to Google Tag Manager, and simply paste in what you just copied. Either way works just fine. From there, we will click Save. Then we will name this trigger whatever you'd like it to in order to be able to reference it later in the future. So in this case, it's sending people to a CRM. So we will call it Outbound CRM click. We'll save it. And once we save that, our trigger is ready to go, and it will now be able to be used to track links that are clicked on our website. Obviously, the URL is going to vary based on the button that you choose to track. So if you have multiple different buttons taking people to multiple different URLs, you'll need to create multiple triggers, making sure to name them very specifically so that way when you are creating tags in the future, you are able to easily reference them. Feel free to reach out to Creekside Marketing if you have any technical issues. We'd be more than happy to help, and we will see you in the next video.